Here we have a switch that, quote, will not charge. So let's go ahead and check what's going on here. .46 volts, that's not bad. 0.45 amps. Nothing on the screen. Let's go ahead and check. I should have done this before, but let's check the charge port. I'm going to look at the charge port underneath the microscope. Looking at it under the microscope, you can see that there's nothing wrong. The pins are clean, there's no debris. It seems to be perfectly healthy, so I'm going to move on to the next step of diagnosing here. Alright, since the charge port looks healthy, let's go ahead and change out the battery, see if that does anything. Well, it shows the charging symbol, and it booted on. So it looks like this one just needed a battery replacement. Yep, that does seem to be the magic number for the battery, is 0.4 amps. I don't like to apply heat to take off the batteries for the switches because there's no way to really put heat on it without going through the screen. So the tactic that I use is I kind of just soak the adhesive in isopropyl alcohol, get the battery off, and then clean up the isopropyl alcohol. You don't actually need the foam from the old battery, but I like to put it. So what I do is I put on the heat pad to get the adhesive nice and hot, and then I put some isopropyl alcohol to loosen it up. And then what I try to do is to peel it off all in one piece, but if I have an issue, I use a razor to kind of cut it out. Alright, time to reassemble. This is why I recommend to all Switch users to use a screen protector, and why I myself use a screen protector. Because as you put the Switch into the dock, if you don't have a screen protector, it will scratch the front of the screen up to that point right there, which creates a horizontal line on the screen. So you can see here, this is fully docked. Right here is where that piece of plastic holds the switch in place. And exactly right there is where you will find these marks.